All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about why we don't commonly use Tesla coils today. First off, while Nikola Tesla created the Tesla coil in the late 1800s for wireless energy transmission, it's not exactly practical for modern day applications. The technology is super interesting, but it operates at very high voltages and can be dangerous if not handled correctly, which makes it challenging to use in everyday life. Second, energy efficiency is another big reason. Tesla coils can produce spectacular sparks and electricity, but they waste a lot of energy in the process. Modern energy systems are much more efficient at delivering power over long distances, which makes things like power lines and wireless charging more reliable and cost effective. Third, Tesla coils are often associated with high frequency AC, alternating current, TA, which isn't ideal for powering most household appliances and electronics. These devices typically require direct current, DC, or lower voltage AC, and Tesla coils don't fit the bill there. Lastly, radio frequency interference can also be an issue. Tesla coils can produce a lot of electrical noise, which could mess with other electrical devices, from your phone to your Wi Fi router. While Tesla coils might not be practical for mainstream use today, they've definitely paved the way for wireless energy and high voltage technology, leaving a legacy in fields like radio transmission and electromagnetic research. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.